Welcome to an overview of Python fundamentals, where we'll touch on the core concepts that power everyday Python work. This slide sets the stage by highlighting key areas like data structures, control flow, functions and modules, and error handling, with a visual that centers the Python language as the connective tissue for all these ideas, and how they fit together in practical code. Getting started is straightforward. First, download and install CPython. Then verify your path and confirm the Python REPL launches. Next, write a simple script like a hello world and execute it to see immediate feedback. This quick loop of install, verify, create, and run is designed to remove friction and encourage exploration from day one. Python's dynamic typing means names, reference objects, rather than declaring types up front, so assignment creates and binds objects automatically. That flexibility accelerates prototyping, but also demands discipline. Clear naming, testing, and optional type hints help prevent surprises when names are rebound or types change during development. Control flow in Python routes program logic using conditionals and loops. Use if, elif, and else with indentation to direct execution, while for repeated checks until a condition fails, and for to iterate over iterables. Loop controls like break, continue, and the loop-specific else give concise, expressive ways to manage flow and handle edge cases cleanly. Functions and modules let you package reusable logic by defining functions, passing arguments by object reference, and returning values. Flexible signatures with args and kwargs simplify interfaces, while understanding scope through the LEGB rule, local, enclosing, global, built-in, helps avoid accidental mutations and makes debugging and code reuse much easier. Python includes several core data structures, lists for ordered, mutable collections, dictionaries for fast key-value mapping, and sets for unique membership tests. Comprehensions provide a succinct, readable way to generate these structures, improving clarity and reducing bugs by expressing common transformation patterns in compact, declarative one-liners. String handling in Python emphasizes Unicode by default and immutability, so slicing and formatting are efficient and predictable. Modern tools like fstrings provide readable templating, while the re module supports powerful pattern matching and cleaning. Learning these tools transforms manual parsing and looping into expressive, efficient text processing techniques. Managing imports, packages, and environments keeps projects reliable and reproducible. Use the standard library for many built-ins, pip and PyPI to install external packages, and virtual environments like venv or conda to isolate project dependencies. A clear project layout and consistent import strategy prevent conflicts and make collaboration and deployment simpler. Good development practices combine debugging, testing, and consistent style. Use PDB, breakpoint, and logging for diagnosis. Assert statements for quick checks, and frameworks like Unitest or PyTest for automated validation. Enforce style with PEPAKit. 8 guidelines, formatters like Black and linters to keep code consistent and maintainable as your projects grow. Part 2 focuses on advancing your skills through language power-ups and real-world practice. Explore file, I/O, decorators, generators, async, and type hints, and master ecosystem libraries like requests, pandas, and Flask. Regular practice, small projects, and contributing to open source turn basic knowledge into practical, employable Python fluency.